Hi, I'm Scarlett. I'm a first year student at York St John University studying primary education, and I just wanted to show you around my accommodation. So I'm currently living at the Brickworks, which is about a 10-15 minute walk from uni. It is amazing. I definitely recommend. I've met so many amazing people here. The accommodation is so good. There's 24/7 security and staff, so I always feel so safe here. And yeah, I just thought I'd do a little tour. So as I said, there's always 24/7 staff on reception, which is great. There's also study rooms that you can use, which is perfect for when you want to get some uni work done and can't be bothered to go to the library. This is my room. It's a really lovely size. It's a little bit messy, I'm going to be honest, but it's perfect. It's so comfortable. I feel very safe as well. And my bathroom as well, I'm really lucky. I have an ensuite. This is our kitchen. This was it when it was tidied, I'm going to be honest. But it's very nice. You can also pick which flat you want to be in when you go to the Brickworks. So I chose one where it was all girls. Our bottle collection, of course. There's also a common room so you can play pool. I only learned how to play pool when I came here. I'm still not very good, to be honest, but there's also a table football and a ping pong table, and there's some TVs that you can use. So yeah, I would definitely recommend, and I hope you've enjoyed my little tour.